I'm Adam Ajis, and I'm a consultant orthopaedic foot and ankle surgeon at Goring Hall Hospital here in Worthing. Just like the other joints in your body, your ankle can get arthritis, which stops your ankle moving freely, causing pain, stiffness, and swelling. If the arthritis isn't improving, then an ankle replacement can be a good option. Here at Goring Hall, I perform computer-assisted ankle replacements. Unlike a traditional replacement, we will first take a CT scan of your leg and ankle to create a 3D model. We then use this to produce a bespoke surgical plan specifically optimized to your unique anatomy. We will then remove the worn-out joint in your ankle and fit a prosthetic implant, using this surgical plan to ensure perfect alignment. It's done under a general anesthetic, and patients usually stay in hospital for less than 24 hours and will leave without the pain they had from their arthritis. They're then recovering back home for 6 weeks, after which they can return to work and driving. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, you can book in online or contact Goring Hall Hospital directly.